for the Mark 8. We're putting a Garrett, I guess it's a 2563 on it. It's a plug and play. Comes with like a stock style electric actuator. It's probably capable of around 520, 550, who knows. It'll be good, it'll be good for me being a daily driver. I don't want to set it to, monster mode, but
maybe occasionally.
Yeah, I know how, all of us who have ever owned race cars, it's like you start out and you just want to go, well, I only want to do this much. Well, maybe we can make it go a little faster. And then it's, oh, can I go a little faster? Anyway, we're going to put this on here in the next couple of weeks. Have this, have a downpipe for the Unitronic downpipe, all new inlet piping, because the stock stuff is, well, A, it's plastic, and B, it's not round. It's whatever shape Volkswagen wanted to make it. And there's something else. Oh, and a new heavy-duty intercooler for it. Not that it, the intercooler and the pipe, out of everything, I think the piping will probably make the most amount of difference. Intercooler, just make it so that you're able to make back-to-back runs without heat soak. And I imagine that this thing here can heat air up pretty well.